All right, hey everyone. Want to connect Webflow to MailChimp for email marketing? Well, let's do it in just a few steps. So the first thing you need to do is to set up Webflow form. Go ahead and create a form in Webflow that collects subscriber info. Then head over to Zapier and create a Zap. For the trigger, select Webflow form submission. For the action, select MailChimp and choose Add Update Subscriber. So just go ahead and map the fields, like email from Webflow to MailChimp. Great. Test your Zap to ensure it's working. And there you go. Your Webflow is now connected to MailChimp. If this tutorial was helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more, and I'll see you next time.